guys, Luke here from Mix It Up 1108. So today is going to be a very different video than usual. I am going to be doing an unboxing video for the Razer Naga Trinity. Naga? I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a gaming mouse. It's supposed to be really good. It's got 3 interchangeable mouse side buttons, so you can just easily change what game you're playing, what type of keyboards you're gonna have. So let's just get into it. Okay, so the box has the front, which is just the Naga Trinity with the 3 different side plates on there. Then it has the top, the back, which explains information about it, and then the 2 sides have the Razer logo. Alright, so the top also has this clear plastic thing on it. And I think if we pull that, we should be able to open the box and see the gaming mouse. Alright, it's a clear plastic thing pulled off. Okay, here is the opening. Well, I didn't want to damage the box. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's upside down. Here we go. The reveal. Oh, wow, this is a big mouse. Okay, so you've got the instructions about how to use the mouse, and I think probably how to get the colors going, but we'll get into that later. So this is the underside of the box. It's got the cord, and here is the top with one of the plates already on, and then the other 2 that you can change to. So this is very cool. This is a bigger mouse than I thought it was going to be. But I don't mind. Bigger mice, I think, are actually really good. So I don't really know how you're supposed to unbox this. I'm just going to assume that you, oh, it's got, a cool cable cover. Okay, it's got the Razer green color. A rubber thing. I think that's just to keep the cord in there. Oh, that's probably so that you can, wrap up the cord. Okay, we're almost done pulling the cord through. Perfect. Okay, that's the cord. Very long cord as well, so if you are far from your computer, you can still play your games. And then I'm gonna assume you just take off the top. Sort of like that. Alright, we have, oh, okay, side plates just chose to sort of go for a ride. So the side plates I'm pretty sure are magnetic. Let me show you them. So this is the 7-button side plate, this is the 2-button side plate, and then on the mouse we have the 12-button side plate. Alright, so then covering the mouse we have this plastic thing. I'm going to take that off. And, oh wow, okay. So the main thing I want to know is how do you change it? It's a good size mouse. It fits my hand pretty well. You might want to go for a smaller mouse if you have a smaller hand. But it's a pretty good size. It's giant, actually. But it's a cool mouse. So these buttons are really easy to press, so if you're gaming, you can just go button. And they sort of give you indications as to which row you're on. So these top and bottom rows have the bent up ones so that you can know, oh, I'm at the top, I'm at the bottom. The middle rows are basically the same, but you can just tell if you were at the top or the bottom, which one you're at. Alright, so let's look at the instructions on how to switch the side plate, because I know that's what I really want to see in this mouse. Alright, so this is the Razer Naga Trinity instructions. They're in this, weird plastic thing that I'm just going to slide off, because you don't want to damage anything in case you need to return this. Oh, and I got 2 Razer stickers. That's cool. So I'll be back with you guys in a minute when I have learned how to do this. Okay, so this is how you change the side plate. You pull from the bottom. You see how there's that little groove right there? You pull, oh wow, that is very easy to take off. So that's the 12 button. We are going to put you to the side for the minute. And let's put on the 2 button. So this is what the 2 button one looks like. It's actually really quite comfortable. So then to put it on, I'm assuming you just do the same thing in reverse, basically. Let's try it. So make sure that's all in the right place, and you've got your 2 button. Nice. And the 2 button is probably what you're going to use if you're going to do work stuff, editing, that type of thing. But the other 2 are definitely for gaming. So again, to take it off, you find the groove, and you just take it off like that. Okay, the 7 button is probably the one that I'm going to use the most. So that's the one that I want to try out. Alright, that one's really quite comfortable because you can have your thumb at the back in the middle of all of these. And then if you need to, you can just push like here, like whatever the buttons that you want to press are. Okay, let's plug this into a computer and see how it actually works. And try using the Razer Synapse 3 to make this light up.